I'm going to show you next how to prioritize your Gmail, how to maintain what I like to call a zero inbox. And that's kind of a cool thing, if at all possible. I have gone over 100,000 items in my inbox at one point, and you'll be surprised. People who get a lot of emails are in the thousands of emails, and they are not necessarily deleted. But today I'm going to teach you a trick of how you can whip your email into shape in no time at all. So I'm going to show you how any one of you can get to zero messages in your inbox in just a few minutes. It's not that hard. Here are the steps that I'd like you to follow. Let's see if it works. Check your inbox, first of all, by going to the checkbox in the top left corner of your inbox. I'm going to do it right now here with you. I have my pinned tab of Gmail right here in the top left corner. You're going to check the box at the very top, and you'll see it highlights everything on that page, but it doesn't highlight everything on the other pages. So I have 485, so it doesn't do page 2, 3, and 4 or anything beyond that. So what you do is you check that box, and then after you do that, you come over to where it says all 100 messages on this page are selected, and you click select all and then the number of messages in primary. And then that will get the rest of them. I've selected them. It will get all the other pages just like that. So I'm going to give you a little chance to do that. And then when you're done doing that, you're going to right click on your messages and choose archive. That archive button will be on the left side of the toolbar. I'll show you right where it is. It's right here. So you'll click the archive button like that, and it will say confirm bulk action. Click OK. All right, so give it a moment to load. You'll notice that it said loading, and now my inbox is slowly dwindling to pretty much nothing. So I'm down to 70. Oh, now I'm down to 0. I now have 0 messages in my inbox. See, I told you it was possible to get down to 0 messages. So now you're probably saying, Mark, wait a minute. There were some emails there that I want to keep. How am I going to go back to all of those messages? So you might be getting suddenly very, very stressed out. Well, fact is, you can bring all of them back very quickly. So what you're going to do is do an advanced Gmail search for all mail and choose date within 1 month of today's date. And then you're going to click the search button. So we're going to go to our search email. This is what I meant by the advanced Gmail search. And we're going to do over here, this is our filter button or show search options button. I like to call it the filter button. And now I can go in and I can come down to where it says search all mail to do date within 1 day. No, I think I'll go 1 month. There we go. Date within 1 month of today's date. All right, so I'll pick today's date. Date within 1 month of today's date. And now I'm going to click search. And by the way, it is searching all mail. I wanted to make sure that it was all mail because there's nothing right now in the inbox. So I have to search all mail. Now I'm going to click search. And now it brings up all of these search items. I have 100 of many showing right now. And the next step is you're going to choose the select all checkbox again in the top left corner, and you're going to select all. And then you're going to click move to inbox. There's a button for that. It's the arrow button. So let's go to select all and then move to inbox. So we'll do that together. I'm going to click the checkbox. Okay, that selects all. I'm going to select all messages that match this search. So it has now selected not just this page, but the other pages as well. And now I'm going to click this button to move everything back to the inbox. That one button is all you need to move everything back to the inbox. And it says confirm bulk action. You're going to say okay. And now everything is back to the inbox within the past month. So you took everything from basically forever You archived it with the archive button. And then once you archived it, you then basically removed it from your inbox so that your inbox was down to 0. Then you went into your search. You did a filter for anything from within 1 month from today's date. And then after picking today's date, you did a search. You found all the messages from the last month. You selected them all with this button. It's always the blue button to select them all. And then you move them all back into your inbox with the Move to Inbox button. And now everything is back. I can uncheck the box, and now I'm back to where I need to be. So now instead of this saying, in my case, 700 and some messages, I'm down to just 384. I'm now back organized, and I don't have thousands of email messages anymore. But the thing is, all those messages are still there. If you needed to find them, all you have to do is come down, instead of to inbox, just go down to where it says all mail. Now, some of you may have to click the 3-dotted button right here, about halfway down. Click the button so that it will reveal the all mail option, and then click all mail. If I click all mail, I'm embarrassed to say that I have 120,000 emails, actually 120,713. Why? Because instead of deleting something that I might need later and have it gone and not be searchable anymore, what I do when I see something that's even the least bit interesting, I check the box and I click this button, the archive button. When you click archive, you can now search anything that you have archived and be able to find it, no problem. So archived emails are searchable, deleted emails are not.